your advice be for people coming in a state of social in terms of how they should choose the right breakouts and the right sessions and workshops for them? What two very kind of specific pieces of advice would you give them to help them choose the right sessions to go to?
One, get an all-access ticket. Because if you have an all-access ticket, that means that you get access to the recordings, which means that you don't miss anything.
Yes.
Right? And then you don't have to stress. You can go to whatever session you want to go to live, and if you don't get into it, because some sessions do fill up, then you can go to another session and you have access to everything on the recordings. The second piece of advice is don't stress about it. Right? There are so many good sessions, and there may be sessions that fill up. I do my absolute best with programming to make sure that everybody's sort of equal, and that all the same types of sessions aren't on at the same time, so that no matter where you are in the breakouts and workshops, there'll be something that you're interested in. So don't stress, there'll be something for you. And if there isn't a session that you're interested in during that sort of breakout or workshop, go hang out in the Icono Lounge. Go hang out and just relax and catch up on emails or take a break. And then, in the next period, there will be something. But all access is definitely the way to go. You will not miss a thing if you have an all access ticket.